Hello everyone, this is Jeannie. I'm here today. I'm going to show you another fabulous DIY. I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful wooden bead wreaths. This is a very simple project. All you will need is a 16-inch wreath ring. You need 2-inch half wooden beads, glue gun, glue stick, zip ties. I love these beads. They are awesome. Zip ties are my favorite. Floral wire, you can use it if you wish, but zip ties pretty much are my go-to. And you definitely need those wire cutters. Start with the half bead. Glue each bead to the wreath. And just go one by one. Take your time and do it. Make sure they're closely arranged. You don't really want gaps along the wreath. Now, as far as the number of beads to use, that's completely up to you. Depends on how many beads you want, okay? Or how big your floral arrangement is. But just glue them down, make sure you have a high temp glue gun, and it works fabulously well, even in Texas where it's pretty hot and humid. The beads actually stayed on the ring with no issues through all the storms we had as well. See how the beads are arranged along the wreath? The back of the wreath will be flat, and watch me go. Make sure you get half beads. If you try to get a full bead, they're not going to stay on the wreath well. It makes the wreath extremely heavy. Now I've done all the beads that I want to use are attached to the wreath, and I left a space for where the floral arrangement will actually be tied onto the wreath itself. So I end up using 22 wooden half beads. These are 2-inch half beads that I found on Amazon. Next, I added the florals. I start with the greenery first, and I arranged them as I like. Now, at this moment, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my wire cutters to actually trim off extra greenery that I need. That's just the easiest way of doing it, because I wanted the greenery to be as full as possible, but not too big to cover the entire wreath. Next, take zip ties. You can use floral wire at this point, but zip ties work better for me. And I cinched the greenery together. To me, zip ties give makes your structure, or your floral arrangement rather, more secure. Less likely to fall apart when it's hanging on the wreath. Now what you're going to do is take a pair of scissors and trim the ends of your floral wire off, just like I'm doing. And there you have it. And this is where the greenery will be placed, along with the additional florals. So next, what I'm going to do, grab my flowers. I found these at Michael's, and I just arranged them as I like. One thing is, with the flowers in particular, you can actually use the stems and wrap the stems around each other to hold your florals in place. Once you actually have the floral arrangement the way you would like, see, I'm taking the stems and I'm wrapping them around each other. You can use zip ties to further secure your florals, or floral wire, whatever your preference is. As long as those florals stay together, you're in good business. Now, I have the florals arranged, and what I'm going to do is take additional zip ties, and I'm going to secure the greenery to the wreath, like so. There you go. Here's my zip tie. So zip tie I have around the greenery and the faux florals. And look how nice. Completely secure to the wreath, and just, arrange the florals as you like to make it look the wreath look the way you want it to. And there you go. I'm done. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all my social media channels as well.